So I've always voted for Labour, and I've looked at Plaid in the past. I went to the independence rally in the city centre, found out a bit more about the party and what they stood for. So I think going forwards, I will be looking at voting for Plaid.
I've only been living in Wales for about 4 years. I'm a former member of Welsh Labour. I voted Plaid last week because I want Wales to be within the EU. I want it to have the benefits of EU membership, and I think it is really important that we have a party in Wales that is prepared to stand up and be honest with the public about what Brexit would mean for Wales.
So something pretty amazing happened on Sunday at many levels. Plaid Cymru beating the Labour Party is so significant, and I say this as somebody who comes from a Labour family by background. And people were telling their own story, and it was in different ways. It was basically, I've been Labour all my life. I never described myself as a nationalist. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm voting for Plaid Cymru. I'm voting for Plaid Cymru because of their clear position in terms of Europe. And I'm voting because I want change, and a whole variety of ways in which they'd arrived at this point. And some people are saying, it was a painful thing, it hurt. But then I discovered all these other people telling their stories on Twitter, and now I feel good about it because I feel as if I'm part of something, I'm connected. And that's how political change works. And that's why I feel incredibly positive about this moment in Wales, because I think the people are on the move.